the snatch. I can tell that you're feeling me. And it happened, that's just inevitable. So that's for hell agility. Get you back after that's inevitable. Feeling is mutual, you and you and passing constant. Ran cuff, that's just lost. Wait. So imagine when we come tight. Make it real instead of one night. Take you down, show you how it feels when it's done right. Hope you don't find us all crazy, you know some right. Well, yeah, so let me know. Number one, number two, coming through.
I just wanna fuck with you.
Got great voltage and absolutely no clipping. Look at that.
Don't stop, baby, what it do? Something that's what you. Something that's what you. Make it pop, baby. Don't stop, baby, what it do? I just wanna fuck with you. I just
I need a chick, what to do, cause he thinks he the boss. So I let that money talk. Trip much, we be shaking it off. She wanted us down. For a while, we put it in time. She changing my mind. Line. Body is quite crazy. She school, she ain't lazy.
This setup hits really hard. I'm hoping for at least 1.5 more decibel increase. That's basically what I was going for, but the bandwidth is really good, and man, it actually hits super hard. I've got really steady voltage. It doesn't drop, you know, too low or whatever, even on the craziest, hardest hits, and all the way up I don't get a single bit of clipping. This thing is absolutely amazing. I'll pick you up a dangler or a merch pack if you want one of those. You can message me personally if you want one, and you can get you a little dangler right there in the pack, just like this. T-shirt, dangler, stickers, that kind of stuff, and a lanyard, a very high quality lanyard, just like this one right here. It's got the logo on it and the dangler. Pretty awesome stuff right there. And I'll probably make some more videos because this thing hits really freaking hard. I really like it. The next video you'll probably see is going to be on the meter.